Hi, my name is Eric Wozniak, Director of Solutions at Blue Granite. This is a 5-minute executive overview of how Microsoft BI technology can help meet business challenges in the retail industry. Blue Granite is focused on helping our clients design and deliver BI solutions based on Microsoft technologies like SQL Server, SharePoint, and Microsoft Office. Some of the business drivers for BI adoption in the retail industry include a combination of economic and competitive pressures that require successful companies to work more efficiently than ever before. Information technology to support successful operations needs to provide better, more timely information while fully leveraging existing IT investments. Let's take a look at a quick demo of a BI solution for retail, enabled by the Microsoft BI software suite. This is a simplified version of a real client solution and shows how Microsoft's core SQL Server, SharePoint, and Office platforms can be used to build effective solutions to monitor and analyze business operations. For the purposes of this demo, I'm playing the role of a sales executive at a large CPG organization. I'm responsible for one of our main operating companies, and I monitor the sales performance of the various product lines that we sell through a national big box retailer. I begin my day by reviewing key performance metrics on my sales dashboard. This is an interactive SharePoint-based dashboard operating on data and SQL analysis services cubes. One of the main elements on my dashboard is my weekly scorecard, which displays weekly and year-to-date numbers with comparison to last year. I've identified a number of important metrics, sometimes called KPIs or key performance indicators, that represent my business performance. Some of these include sales, cost of goods sold, and margin. The arrow indicators provide a visual representation of performance, allowing me to focus in on those areas that require my attention. My weekly scorecard is supported by a number of linked visual reports which provide additional perspectives for a given metric. A single click on a KPI refreshes each of the visual reports with data for the selected KPI. You'll notice a variety of chart types in use, each of which excels at presenting data for a specific purpose. For example, this line chart displays weekly performance with comparison to last year. I'm able to see the general trend and to spot anomalies in performance over time. In this chart, the red line represents last year's sales, and the blue line represents this year's sales. I notice a general upward trend in both years. I also see that last year we experienced some significant upward and downward fluctuations, while this year we've had a more consistent gradual uptick over time. Another useful view is a breakdown of this metric over the various product categories, displayed in the bar chart here. I see that bath faucets represent my top-selling category. Again, the blue represents this year's sales, and red represents last year's sales. I notice that most of my product categories are down compared to last year, that is, with the exception of repair parts. This may signal a change in consumer behavior consistent with an economic downturn, as homeowners hold off on new purchases and focus on repairing what they already own. This insight will inform the upcoming product mix conversations I'll have with my team. A third view combines product breakdown and trend perspective in what's called a stacked bar chart. This view shows the part-to-whole relationship of each product category over time. Hovering over a segment shows me the actual value and percentage of total for that particular product category. While the first page of my dashboard is focused on performance trends by product category, the second page of my dashboard provides a detailed view of performance by sales region. In this dashboard page, I'm using an analytic grid to browse my data in a tabular format. This format allows me to see multiple related measures across my columns and drill down to the store level on rows. In this case, I'm not interested in analyzing average retailer cost of goods sold, so I'll remove those from my view. I have a data set that I can work with, so I'll export this to Excel to do some additional analysis. Here in Excel, I'm able to take advantage of conditional formatting to enhance the message in the data. For example, I'll use data bars to highlight my sales numbers across regions and states. I'm also interested to see which regions and states perform better than their peers with regard to gross margin. Another conditional formatting option allows me to see that very quickly. I see that my above-average performers are concentrated in my first region. Thanks for taking the time to view this demonstration. For more information, visit our website at www.blue-granite.com. www.blue-granite.com.